Snow? What is going on? It's October 23rd, and I woke up to the weirdest weather ever. For context, we get snow in December, like a little bit. Snow like this is a January only thing, so this is crazy, crazy. So let's go show the madness.
The chickens have never seen snow before, so let's see how they react to the first time being let out into the snow. I got a surprise for you chickens. Come on out. Come on out. You're normally so excited to come out. Come on. Who's gonna be the first brave chicken? Are you all scaredies? Go get a taste of snow. You've seen it before, Rooster. You're an old guy. Here, let's do a little interview. So, what do you think of your first taste of snow? Very interesting.
Ian got up early and let the chickens out, and there was a skiff of snow. It's noon, and now I'm outside, and there is so much snow out here. This is crazy. We're gonna measure officially how much snow has fallen so far. That's insane. It's saying 5 inches. That's crazy. It's a crazy amount of snow.
You're due.
I know, even deeper there. Okay. This seems too much. It seems inaccurate. Feels less here. It's saying 6 here. Okay, I think we can safely say there's 5 fluffy inches.
Woo, I did it.
Ian and I were having an argument as to if this is the weirdest weather we've ever experienced in Kelowna. So I looked it up. Average snowfall in October is 0. And November average snowfall in Kelowna is 11 centimeters. So 5 inches means that we today have received all of the snow we normally would get in all of October and all of November. Like now. This is a crazy snow. This is like the amount of snow we get on the biggest snowfall of the year. And we usually only get like 4 or 5 of these in the entire season. So this is a lot of snow. Yesterday was our first frost of the season, so I still have buckets and buckets of beautiful fresh flowers to enjoy during the snowstorm, because it literally only hit cold enough for a frost yesterday, and then today we wake up to the craziest snowstorm of the year. So it's blowing my mind, like a little bit of a contrast there, huh? We were planning on filming a video today because we filmed before the frost and we were about to do an after the frost contrast farm tour, but I can't even show you what the frost does to my plants because it's just white. It doesn't look like anything. This is weird weather. It's supposed to melt for tomorrow though, so upcoming video. Yesterday was really nice. At one point I was in the greenhouse and it was registering as 25 Celsius, so it was not a bad day yesterday. I was outside and, you know, in my rain gear, harvesting carrots, spraying, getting myself soaked. No complaints. So we still have lots. We have lots ready to sell, you know, available here at the farm. I don't think anyone is gonna feel like we have lots available to sell, and they probably also don't want to drive anywhere considering it's a snowstorm. But this is, you know, this doesn't mean the end of anything on the farm. This is a bed of our red Russian kale. The red Russian kale, it survives the winter fine. And it's actually not that cold out. It's snowing, but it's probably like, you know, 0 or 1. So this is temperatures that I could actually still pick the kale. You want to pick it when it's above 0 if the plant is frozen. But yeah, see, brush off the snow, looks great. Still lots of food in here. I don't know how many bunches of kale I want to pick in this weather because I got my cozy gloves on. But if you need kale, I'll do it for you. But only because I love you so much. We also prepared for the cold weather coming. We knew that it was only a matter of time. And so this weird mound right here that you can't see because of snow is actually our low tunnel. Ugh. This is a piece of plastic here to give some insulation and protection to our Swiss chard, which is a little bit more tender than the kales. It can handle the cold, but it can't handle as cold as the kale. So, you know, it's happy under there. I'm not gonna open it because I'd have to brush snow completely off of this. But, you know, when the snow melts off, hopefully this evening, I'm still gonna have lots of happy Swiss chard. Hopefully still, despite this insane weather, we'll still have another month of these greens. It's still here. The chickens didn't like a skiff of snow, so let's go see if we can convince them to like lots of snow. Hello, ladies. So what do you guys think? What do you think of the snow? Oh, this one. The brave one. I like to get picked up. She's gonna come check it out.
Okay, come on.
Come on, ladies. Ladies! Look, I'm making you a path. Where's the rooster?
You can hear him.
Is he in the back corner or something?
He might be outside in the back. On the other side of the wall.
What do you think? What's your opinion of the snow? Oh, Mr. Man! Let's go see what he's doing.
You're out here by yourself.
Are you trapped? Are you trapped out here?
You can't figure out how to get back to your ladies?
He might be. It might have snowed so much and he doesn't want to go through the snow.
Do you need help?
Is it cold on your bum? I gotcha. I gotcha. Here, I got You don't want to step on the snow. The snow is lava. Oh, so brave. Such a brave rooster. Okay. Rescue Rooster.
You're going in the wrong direction. You want to be back inside with your ladies? There you go.
Are the ladies coming to warm you up, mister? Maybe we know now why he was outside. Too much attention from the ladies.